Hey everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Okay, let's go over what I'm currently working on. I got a Python script I'm working on here for ATR. You can see here my math for average true range. Now let's back up a bit. A few days ago I put up this video here called Forecasting Volatility in Forex Trading. I would consider this a fairly significant video for those that want to understand the different volatility methods that you could use to figure out volatility between trading pairs and the different ones under what scenarios and so on and so forth. So I've started working on probably the more popular one called Average True Range, ATR. And everything looks cool from there. And I just put up another video just now, 4 minutes ago, where this one talks about, on Windows, IQFeed and all the different ways I can interface with IQFeed for forex data. And I'm not going to go over that in this video in detail. You got those videos to watch. Also, if you go under my playlist, I've got here in detail IQFeed and all the tools that I use for that. So remember that, okay? All right, so knowing that, we can now move into ATR. Now, this is Python, obviously, and I'm going to focus less on the code and more on the charts. This is part of my quant analytics service. If you're interested in that, you will find a new section that's created under my FAQ down here on Quant Elite Pro, Quant Elite Analytics Pro, which will become my eventual Analytics Pro service. So I'm moving out of the coding, moving out of the technology, and more focusing on charts and reports. So the first big one I'm working on for the forex strategies is ATR. For those that don't know, volatility is where you make money in forex trading, and ATR is a good measurement for that. So I'm putting a lot of emphasis on that, and I'm just going to run this script as is. It's the first stage of it, and basically what it's going to do, it's going to work with this file here. Let me just pull up that file. In here we have this sample Ooh, no, we don't want that one. Okay, we want this one. Okay, so this data is standard daily data, open, high, low, close, from Euro USD. Now, where did that data come from? I have a video on that, of course. Go to my channel and just type in investing.com. This will bring you to this video. I'll walk you through that to download that data and create an Excel file. Now, this is not the ultimate way of doing it. This is why I have created this video, I just created here, that will be able to generate the monthly, weekly, daily data that I want for forex pairs. Pretty well any forex pairs using IQFeed and these other utilities that I mentioned in this video. Very important. So once you figure out how to use a flat file for your data source for whatever currency pair, what will happen is in this data, it will create a document, Word document. This is all created by my forex, by my Python script I just showed you. And what it does, this could be for any pair that I want that is available through IQFeed. and then be able to get descriptive statistics not only on because you have open, high, low, close. I now have the ability to capture the current open and the previous open and generate descriptive statistics, all the standard mean, median, standard deviation, variance, skewness, min, max, sum, and count. That's fine. Now, as I said, I'm not going to focus on the code, but for any of my members that are interested in how this is generated, it's very simple. Use pandas and generate a data frame from this Excel file, or it could be a CSV, and then available to you in that data frame will be these functions: mean, median, standard deviation. All that will be available to you. Now you've got to do one section for open to open and high to low. Same thing. So what does it generate? Well, when you start to look at the high to low descriptive statistics, we're looking for trends. Namely, we have our general normal distribution of high to low, open to open. You'll see our buckets that are available. We do 20. And we get a variety of other statistics that we can look for positive returns, percentage of them, negative. So because we have more negative returns, we know that maybe you may have a negative trend. Same thing with how many fit in the zero bucket. How many are our average daily positive return, and so forth. So we also calculate our percentage of our standard deviation of standard deviation 1, 2, and 3. This is within normal. This is kind of pushing it, and this is definitely what could be considered standard deviation of outlier. Same here on the lower as well. So here, around here, you can see your outliers right here. That gives you more into fat tail analysis that we could go into later on as I create more scripts on that. But for now, I just want to show you a general script that will give you the detailed view of daily data for a year using open, high, low, close data that you can download, in this case from investing.com, but to properly automate it, you need to download it from IQFeed. So that's what I've done, that's what I've created, wanted to show that to you. And the last thing that you need to know is this is the first time I'm actually creating Word documents from Python. So the package that I'm using is this one called Python -docx. Okay, so do a Google search on that, and I'm using things like this document object and the add heading, so on and so forth. That's all explained here. So that's another hint for you on how I create this Word document. Now, originally I wanted to do PDF, but there is another package for Python that does PDFs. It's a lot more involved. This one's pretty easy. You just add a header here, another subhead. You can add equivalent of paragraphs, and of course you can add your images as well. So it includes everything, and that's probably the format I'm going to use. So this will be a typical report with a image in it that will be part of this QuantLeaks Pro Analytics Pro service I'm going to be doing in about a couple of months. So it's just one example that you can look forward to for this. Okay, so I just wanted to introduce you to that.